Hey guys, so this is my lesson plan that I made for my Ed 206 class over the summer. It is aligned with Ed TPA standards as well as has Common Core standards that are addressed. For this assignment, I've aligned some ISTE standards as well, specifically to be advocate for equitable access through educational technology, digital content, and learning opportunities to meet the diverse needs of all students. And 5B, use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that foster independent learning and accommodate learner differences and needs. So the lesson that I've created would be for a religious studies class, specifically on Christianity, about the formation of Christianity. And the first part that I use technology for would be the introduction, the before, to really just assess what students know and don't know about this subject. Because for religion, you're either going to have people who know absolutely nothing, have kind of heard about it, or know a lot, and then they're going to be bored. So I've decided to make a Socrative quiz for that, which is one of the tools that I reviewed earlier. And again, what I really like about this is their answers can be completely anonymous. So they won't have to feel embarrassed about like if they do know or what they don't know or anything like that. So there's just a couple questions. And at the end, it says what would make learning the subject more interesting, to really just engage the students and have students' opinions in the lesson, which I really like. And then that's really my big main technology part of the lesson. um, then I just would have the basic lecture, the assignments, group discussions, and then on Moodle, which would be my learning management system, I would post further readings and videos because that would go up with 2B to have like meet the diverse needs of all the students. If they really didn't understand, then they can watch more videos on it. And if they want to learn more, then they could as well. And then for an extension, if time permits, if we have extra time, I would probably do a Kahoot just to really recap what we had learned, as well as when you go down to my assessment strategies, they would turn in their assignment on Moodle, again, using that learning management platform to really be organized. So, yep, that's my lesson. Thanks, guys.